EventPro360 is the ideal event solution for event venues. Easy to use, affordable, and customizable, EventPro360 is cloud-based, allowing anytime, anywhere access with any internet-connected device. EventPro360's intuitive design offers seamless navigation throughout the system. Sync your events calendar to any phone, Outlook, or website calendar. Have new events auto-created anytime someone submits an event request from a form on your website. EventPro360 offers customizable event pages for both on-site and off-site catering events. Notes for other activities can be added to the calendar, making it the centerpiece for everything happening at the venue. And you can provide access to an unlimited number of your team members. The event pages have a clean design with a place for every event detail. EventPro360 users can fully customize the event page, including the all-powerful and flexible menu feature. Items and their modifiers are organized and easily added to an event and auto-populated to all necessary event documents. The EventPro360 document feature allows you to create templates for contracts, invoices, proposals, BEOs, or any documents you use. In just seconds, you can print or generate PDFs of your event documents, making it fast and easy to share the documents with your team or clients. Reporting capabilities within EventPro360 include PACE reports for comparing bookings to the same time last year, budget reports for comparing actual and forecasted revenue to budget, and a myriad of custom reports that can be templated for easy future access. The EventPro360 settings tree allows you to fully customize your system. Our affordable annual fee includes activation, unlimited user accounts, support, access to new features as they become available, unlimited data, and a startup design session to help customize and get you started efficiently and comfortably. EventPro360 was designed for the events industry as an easy-to-use, fully customizable, and best of all, affordable event solution. We personally invite you to schedule a live Zoom demo to further explore EventPro360. Click the request demo link and suggest a day and time of your convenience. We look forward to hearing from you.